This is a milhoja, and they're putting a ruana, which I'll show you what a ruana is later. When I visit Colombia, I cannot leave without having a milhoja. By the way, milhoja translates into mil is 1,000 and hoja is sheet. So it's like 1,000 sheets of pastry filled with yummy, delicious things. This one that we order is filled with arequipe, which is dulce de leche, and on top of it, they put a slice of cheese to represent the traditional ruana, which is a specific type of article of clothing that is typical of this area of Colombia. And it looks just like this.
Whoa.
So fresh, right?
Okay guys, I expected this to be good, but this is something different. We're here at like 10 in the morning, so I assume this was like just made. This is really fantastic, guys. If you are in Villa de Leyva, Colombia, please visit the Chocolate Museum. What is the official name, Cata?
El Museo del Chocolate.
El Museo del Chocolate. Guys, you don't want to miss this. What are you eating, buddy?
I don't know what it is.
Teacher Catalina, what are you eating?
These are obleas, and they're like a wafer filled with caramel or dulce de leche. And you can have them filled with other things, but this is kind of like the traditional one. And they are fresh. Look, I don't know if you can hear this. Deliciosas. ¿Te gustó? Rica, ¿no?